but you other way around. But you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it. Dance, relax and let this make a move.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then stick on some me. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Speaks, or Jasmine Speaks. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe as well as that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Now let's get right into it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another weekend vloggy vlog with your girl J Speaks here. Sorry if it seems like y'all, my closet / content creator space has literally been taken over by all the engagement, like supplies, plates, cups, gifts, everything. Like I'm literally halfway, like this is the door. Like the door to my closet is right here. And all, usually we'd be back a little bit, but behind this lovely poster board is all the engagement stuff. Literally all the engagement stuff. And honestly, when it comes to this engagement party, like this party is gonna be really nice. Like I know for a fact it's gonna be, because there's been so much thought and like detail put into this party, it's gonna be really nice. And we did that just because we feel like, the engagement party is gonna set the tone for how everything else is gonna come. Like if the engagement party is fire, then everything else is gonna be like boiling hot, like sun ray fire, So that's why we're doing so much for the engagement party. But oh my gosh, when I say I can't wait till it comes, like I'm super excited. But y'all, I've been getting packages every single day about just for everything. And my maids of honors, like shout out to them, like they are like freaking amazing. Like they think about everything, which is why this is part of the reason why it's so good to have two. If you're newly engaged and you haven't done anything yet, or if you're probably going to be engaged within the next, and whenever you do get engaged, if you're not, it don't even matter. Have two maids of honors, hands down. Have two maids of honors. And I'm not talking about, two maids of honors, one be doing most of the work and the other don't really know. Have two maids of honors that are going to stand 10 toes down for you. Shout out to y'all. I love y'all. Like y'all are my ride or dies. Like it's the fact they think, and then not only do they think about me, they think about my man. Like your maids of honor, it has to be your day ones. It has to be your day ones. When you have a problem and you don't know who to go, you go to that person. That should be your maid. Them should be your maids of honors, because they are like that. Like I am just, I don't want to cry, because I've been crying too much already. But anywho, shout out to y'all. Love y'all. This weekend vlog, honestly, I don't even know what we're gonna do, because I have some work stuff I need to do today on the computer, and then that's kind of it what I have to do today. Like I don't really have much to do. Then tomorrow we are helping Eric's best friend and his wife, which is my matron of honor. Shout out to you, Jayla. They're moving to the DMV. Super excited for them and their new start, their new journey. I know it's not easy moving to a new place where you're not even used to like city life, especially like where you're coming up here to DC. If you're not used to something like DC or New York or Baltimore, if you're not used to those type of like cities, like those big cities where there's a million gazillion people and there's 1,000 gazillion things going on, it's gonna be difficult. Like, you're gonna have to adjust really well too, which is why me and Eric chose not to live in DC, but on the outskirts of DC, because DC is too much. Like, I grew up there, went to high school there. It's too much. Like, I can't sleep because there's so much noise going on. But they're moving up here, and it's also his Eric's other friend. Him and his fiance, they're getting married in October. I'll bring you guys along for that as well. And like I think the week after our engagement party, they're getting married, but he's here for his bachelorette trip. I mean, bachelor trip. So I think what's his name? Wayno. Yes, his friend's Wayno. I think Eric and them are gonna go probably to that this weekend as well. And then Eric's leaving me again, y'all. Y'all know he left me last week. This man is leaving me again. Oh, y'all, listen, we got the Wi-Fi together and all of that stuff, y'all. Tell me why so the box is hooked onto the wall. So you have to like unscrew the box from the wall, pull it out to look at all the wires. Why that stuff wasn't even plugged in? Y'all, talking about stressing out for like what 3-4 days, and the thing wasn't even plugged in. Yeah, but we got that fixed. So he's gonna get the game. I'm gonna buy him some the coins he needs to make his little My Player or whatever. Because since I didn't get the game, I was like, okay, well, I need to order some more stuff for the engagement party, because I need to order more stuff for the engagement party. So yeah, that's that. And then Sunday, I don't know. I'm actually off like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I think Wednesday too. So we might not be a weekend. It might be a couple of days. I don't know, because I feel like my weekly vlogs, like, I don't know, they be so long. Like, they be long. And I be like trying to edit them, and they be like an hour and 45 minutes. I be like, oh my gosh. But we might do that. Saturday. It's about like 12:40, maybe getting ready to be 1 o'clock. This morning I really didn't do much besides like eat breakfast, take prints out, cleaned up a little bit. I finished building some more of our balloon stands for the engagement party, but right now I'm getting ready to get ready to go and help our friends move, because our friends, Eric's best man and best friend and his wife are relocating here to the DMV area. So we're going to help them move. They should be here in probably like 20-30 minutes. So I'm about to get ready. I don't know why, but I just want to do my makeup. So that's what I'm about to do. For I don't know what reason, I just feel like doing makeup. So that's what I'm about to do my makeup. You know, y'all probably be like, Jasmine, are you doing makeup? You about to go help somebody. I don't know. This is what I've decided to wear. I just put on some yoga pants, this burgundy crop top, and my waffles. I'm just gonna put on my MK pouch and probably just a jean jacket, and then that'll be it. I'm pretty sure they're like almost here now, so we need to be heading towards them. And I'm put my Apple Watch on. I think that's it. I don't think I want to do leather jacket or should I do jean jacket. I'm gonna do jean jacket. Wow. So I think we're going out to dinner afterwards, but I think the place we're going to is really casual, so I can honestly keep on what I have on depending on how I feel and look, but I might just do just that. So see you guys in a bit.
Good afternoon, vlog.
Aww.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Oh, that's a bad truck. Y'all took my bun down. My head too long to have a bun like that, so we just gonna do it like this. I think that looks better. Y'all see that bump? You can't help but to see the bump. No, you're okay. Yeah, he was tripping. Talk about like talking about something. It is parking spots. If it was parking spots down there, we would have parked.
Yeah, you would have saw
oh shit. Like we would have parked. There was parking spots down there. Talking about something. No, $2. There's parking spots down there. We drove around and rode around for like in circles, y'all. Like circles. Crazy. Yeah, I'm waiting for Eric. Oh. Oh my god, y'all, I'm gonna drop my phone. No, Eric's pulling the car out because he parked too close to the pole and I couldn't get in there. Oh my god, I'm gonna drop my phone, y'all. One margarita too many, I guess. Ugh. Papa, did you see me almost drop my phone?
I saw you. You're dangerous.
I was trying to record, but I almost dropped my phone. Why you put it in the back? Papa, you need to take a duty out. He ain't been out all day. He mad.
Oh, no,
He probably upset. He like, rah, 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 rah. He about to go crazy. Hey everybody, we just got back home. We're gonna go to bed. I don't know why, but I just got so super like tired and drowsy for some reason. But we had a long day. Like our friends, they moved in. We got everything taken care of. I'm so happy that they're here. They had a safe trip up. Praying that our friends have a safe trip back to back home tonight. Yeah, so we're probably just getting ready to go to bed because I am so tired. So we will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so we just got back from Target. I went and got a bin so I can put all this engagement party stuff in a bin because I need my closet back. I need my closet back, like now. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put all this engagement party stuff. I'm about to put it in this bin. Hopefully it fits everything. If not, I just have to go back and get another one. But I need all this stuff to be out of my closet. Like I need it out of my closet. So that's what I'm about to do. Eric's about to cook breakfast and yeah. Hey guys, so we decided to come out and watch airplanes take off, but some strange reason it's like a billion people out here. Like it's normally not this many people, but it's like billions. Like it's so many people out here, y'all. Like so many people. I don't know why, but yeah, we're gonna watch planes take off. Smoothie or the?
I was looking at the slushy.
Oh, they got a slushy too.
They got a pina colada.
Oh, the snowball shaved ice. Make sure you look for Zip. It's like that.
She got jokes.
I think I still want the mango smoothie. I hope it's really cold though.
For sure.
That's my only thing. I hope it's really cold. They about to fight, y'all. Look at y'all. Y'all about to fight. Huh?
How much?
Okay. He back there fighting bees, y'all. Oh, I got brain freeze. I got brain freeze. I guess so. Yep. And guess what, y'all? Be back at Tarjay again because that's my favorite place to go. But y'all knew that, and he knew that too. So I don't know why he acting like. And it's his favorite place too. So yes, we at Target again. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to go to bed. This is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next one.